MEM School of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Linear Integrated Circuit. Okay, chapter number 2, current mirror and current sources. Okay, last class in chapter 1, we discussed about basic introduction of the ICs. That is how they are manufactured, what are the types of IC, how it is classified into the different types like that we discussed in the previous class. So now we are going for the basic concept of current mirror and current sources. So current mirror, it is a general circuit which is give the constant current in the output side. Okay, which is give the constant current. That means if input is 1 amp means output will be 1 milliamp. That is 1 milliamp means 1 milliamp. So like that it will be given. It is used as the loads for the source for the different circuits. So this is a basic definition of current mirror circuit. The current mirror is a widely popular technique for monolithic IC design. So in this technique, the circuit is designed in such a way that it is copies the current through one active device to another active device with the current control feature. So this is the main concept. So this is also referred as the current controlled current source or triple CS. So this is the basic circuit diagram for the current mirror circuit. So left one will be using transistor. So right one will be using the MOSFET. Okay. So this is a very simple circuit. So that is both the NPN transistor are connected in the base will be connected. So that is connected with the source circuit. So we are taking the input reference, that is the input current. So then in output side, we are getting I out, that is the output constant source current. Okay, so same concept we are using the NMOS MOSFET. So when we go for a current mirror circuit, we need to know the different characteristics of the current mirror circuit. So one is current transfer ratio, second one is AC output resistance, and another one is will be voltage drop. The current mirror circuit, the mirror or copy the input current of one active device to the other active device of output. An ideal current mirror circuit is an ideal current amplifier with a inverting configuration that can reverse the current direction. Therefore, the ideal current amplifier, the current transfer ratio is an important parameter. So second one will be AC output resistance. That is, resistance has a voltage relationship as per the Ohm's law. That the AC output resistance plays a major role in the stability of output current with respect to the voltage changes. So we know that voltage drop, it is a proper working mirror circuit has a lower voltage drop across the output. Okay, so this is called a compilation range in the maximum and the minimum voltage in the compilation voltage. So first we need to know what are the limitation of real-time current mirror circuit. The ideal circuit and the real circuit, these two are completely different. In the real world, so there is nothing called perfect or ideal. So before understanding the limitation of current mirror circuits with respect of real world applications, one needs to understand the voltage and current source and the ideal and the actual behaviors. So this is another circuit which is used current mirror circuit using the BJT using diode for the avoid of reverse current operations. Is the basic execution of the concept, basic circuit that is implemented in the uh, circuit design. So these are the application of current mirror circuit. There are wide applications of current mirror circuit in the field of integrated circuit manufacturing. The reference current source is created using the current mirror circuit. By using this technique, multiple reference points can be created. So from a single source. Hence, changing one reference point also change the current source across different parts of the circuit. Okay, so next we are going for the different types of current sources, because basic current sources are having different limitations. So for this purpose, okay, using the different current mirror techniques. So one is Wilson current mirror, another one is Wilder current mirror. Wilson current mirror circuit. It is all started with the challenge between two engineers, Wilson and Bill Gilbert, to make an improved current mirror circuit in overnight. So Wilson current mirror circuit uses the three active devices. So in previous method, we are using the two transistors, but here we are using the three transistors. Okay. So accept the current across the input and provide the exact copy of mirrored copy of the current to its output. Okay. So these are the advantage of Wilson current mirror technique. So in case of basic current mirror circuit, the basic current mismatch is a common problem. Okay, this Wilson circuit, current mirror circuit, virtually eliminate the base current balance error. Okay, the improved Wilson current mirror circuit is made using the four transistor versions. The Wilson current mirror circuit provides low impedance at the input, doesn't require any additional bias voltage, and minimum resource are needed to construct. So these are the limitation of Wilson circuit. That means that this circuit having maximum high frequency negative feedback loop, and compared to this process, the basic transistor they are using the higher compilation voltage. So also it is creates a noise across the output. This is the main limitations of the Wilson current mirror circuit. So Widler current mirror circuit. So this is the another excellent current mirror circuit, that is the Wilder current source circuit. So in this circuit, we are using the same true transistor, but we are adding the extra emitter resistance to the output side transistor. So this circuit, the T1 and T2 and two resistors, same as the two transistor current mirror with the R2. So this is done by the voltage drop across this resistor. This voltage drop reduces the base emitter voltage of the output transistor, which further result in reduce the collector current across the T2. So next one is voltage sources. A voltage source is a current circuit that produces an output voltage Vout, which is independent of the load driven by the voltage sources or the output current supplied to the load. The voltage source is the circuit dual of constant current source. So this is a basic voltage source circuit using the impedance transforming property of the transistor. So this is the circuit having advantage of producing low AC input impedance and resulting in effective decoupling of adjacent gain stages. Next one is voltage reference circuit. The circuit is primarily designed for providing a constant voltage independent of changes in temperature is called voltage reference. The most important characteristic of voltage reference is the temperature coefficient of the output reference voltage here. Okay, this is the basic model of voltage reference with the temperature compensation scheme. Difference amplifier we will see in the next chapter. Okay, in this chapter number 2, we discussed about current mirror and a different type of current mirror, then voltage sources and the voltage reference. So these are the circuits used as sources of the input. Okay, that is a four types are all depend on the sources, how we are giving the voltage sources, how we are giving the current source to the circuit like that we discussed. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next class.